Hey guys, thanks for pausing for a moment of science. I wanted to show you a lab called Chimney Stacks, and I've got, well, 2 chimney stacks, a candle, some black paper to help it show up, and some matches. So what I'm going to do, oh yeah, and a piece of paper. So what I'm going to do is I want to show, 1, how heat rises, and 2, I want to show how you can change the direction based on, you know, the change of temperature, which will help you move into your weather unit where you start learning about air and wind and things like that. So here's what I'm going to do. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to light the candle. Okay, so I'm just going to open this glass panel so I can reach in and get to the candle. Okay. Now, as you can already guess, if I put my hand over this chimney stack, the temperature is quite warm, and when I put my hand over this chimney stack, it's just room temperature. There's no difference in temperature at all. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of paper, I'm going to light it, and then blow it out so that it will produce some smoke. And hopefully the black paper will help it, whoa, that wasn't good, will help it show up on camera a little bit better. All right, I'm a trained professional, don't do this at home. Ooh. There we go. Ooh, smoky. So, as you can see, when I place the smoky paper inside this chimney, because of the heat, the smoke rises, which, think about a fireplace. Ooh, that's hot. I gotta move it. But when I place the smoky paper over this chimney, you can see that it sinks. Do you see that? Because the cool air will sink. So, heat will make it rise, and cool will make it sink. Now, if you can look a little bit more closely, you can see a convection cell happening. If you look, the smoke is being pulled down by the cold air because it's cooling off, losing its energy and cooling off, and then the heat is causing an updraft, so it's pulling it back up the tube. Let me get a little more smoke. That's not smoky enough to be able to see it. All right, there we go. A little more smoke. So this is convection cell. When you place the smoke in the cooler tube, it's pulled down, and then the warm pulls it back up. So the smoke falls when it cools and rises when it's heated. Now let me show you this. I'm going to take the candle, oops, and I'm going to place it on the other side. Ugh, it's in my eyes. Are you kidding me? All right. Well, I'm going to try to place it on the other side. And then here we go. Now watch what happens with the smoke. Well, now I lost my smoke. Let's try it again. Oh my gosh. All right. Ironically, we just had a fire drill. Not kidding. All right, get a little fire. Oop, there it went. Now, when I place it into this tube, you can see the smoke begins to fall. And when I place it over this tube, the smoke rises. So changing the direction of the heat. It's burning. Sorry. don't do this at home. Changing the direction of the heat or changing the location of the heat will change the direction of the smoke. Of course, if it's hot, it's going to go up. But when I place the heat on this side, it's going to go up this chimney. When I place the heat on this side, it's going to go up this chimney. I'm tired, y'all.